Tell us about Kenya.
Kenya. Now Kenya is in the headlines. You hear Kenyan government killing people in Somalia. You ask Kenyan government, why did you kill people in Somalia? No, we didn't kill people in Somalia. We didn't kill anybody. The question is, who killed those people, the children and the women in Somalia? They are answerable and accountable. You should understand that the Kenyan government is big. It cannot take its muscles out on Somalia. Somalia is a very weak country. We all know that. There's no government, stable country in Somalia. Now you get this country that now we are powerful. We're a powerful country in Africa. Now we are a powerful country in ECOWAS. We are a powerful country in the eastern region of Africa. What is this? Somalians are your brothers. These are little children. These are women. You cannot kill people. You got a problem already sitting there. You got lots of problems in Kenya. You know the ethnic groups that are not included in the government. Maasai people that are not even included in so many things. People that are not having land. People that have got a political interest but don't get a chance. The public that does not participate fully in Kenya. Now you want to become a very powerful country? Like what? NATO? Like a French government? Or like a American government? Or which country? Russia? Germany? China? India? You want to become powerful by killing people? What kind of model is this? Is this a political model that Kenyan government is going to use now? Now, you cannot fight the Somalians. You need to help Somalian people to have a stable government. The government without pirates. Why you got the pirates in that country? Why you got the criminals in that country? People are starving. Women don't have rights. Women are being killed every day in Somalia. You need a government. Kenyan government need to make sure that it establishes and help Kenyan, Somalian people to have a stable government. We need to see that Somalia, there's a peace in Somalia, just like Kenya itself. You understand what I'm saying? So you cannot kill people. On this month, November, on the 20th, is the Children's Day. You cannot kill children. You cannot kill women that don't have the rights, don't have weapons to defend themselves. Even the innocent people in Somalia don't have power like Kenyan, to defend themselves. You see them in the refugee camps are starving, no education, they're illiterate. Now the Kenyan government is so powerful, goes to Somalia, invading and start killing people instead of working on bringing peace, establishing the government in Somalia. Now you're busy killing people. These are your brothers and sisters. You cannot be powerful country like America. You cannot do that. Let's bring peace in the country. Let's establish a government. And you are responsible for all the things that are happening in Somalia because you are within the region. You are supposed to be the one, to be the wise one. You understand? You're supposed to be intelligent ones. You're supposed to be the government with the security and with the marshals to establish a government in Somalia so that those people that are starving that you see on the television, in the newspapers, in documentaries, in the movies, those people, Somalians that are suffering, you help them. You don't just sit and fold your arms and sit back and say everything in Somalia is okay, let them fight, let them bring peace themselves. Then when something happens, the tourists that went to go there, and now they were vulnerable because they were in the wrong place, in the wrong time, close to Somalia. What do you expect? And you tourists, make sure when you travel to Africa, you're in the right place where people can help you. Now you go there in those places where you're vulnerable. Now nobody's going to help you there. Now when these things happens, now Kenyan government says, okay, now we want to be seen that we're fighting the pirates. You cannot fight the pirates. Fighting the causation, what is causing Somalians to become pirates? Or what is causing Somalians to become criminals? What is causing Somalians to become starved, living, growing, giving birth, illiterates in the refugee camps? There's no government. So you cannot protect the tourists. This thing is ongoing. You cannot keep protecting tourists, people that are coming from other European countries without establishing the government in Somalia. Start with that first. killing people, women and children in Somalia is not a solution. Look for solution in the wisdom elsewhere. Come to South Africa. Go to America and ask them. Whatever you want to do, you cannot solve this problem yourself. Solve it. Kenyan government, please stop killing people. Solve it by establishing a government in Somalia. Please, Kenyan government, please. I'm begging.
Thank you.